Stop scrolling. Welcome back to XFluentX English. Let me ask you something. Why do some people speak confidently even when they are not perfect? And why do others stay silent even when they are capable? Confidence is not talent. It is not personality. It is not luck. Confidence is a skill. And today, I will show you exactly how to build it, step by step. Listen carefully. First truth, confidence comes from action. Most people wait. They say, I will speak when I feel confident. I will start when I feel ready. I will try when I am perfect. But confidence does not come before action. It comes after action. Your brain builds confidence when it sees proof. If you never try, your brain never gets proof. So the real question is not, how do I feel confident? The real question is, what small action can I take today? Why people lack confidence? Let's be honest. Most fear is not about failure. It is about judgment. What will they think? What if I make a mistake? What if I look stupid? But here's the truth. People are busy thinking about themselves. They are not analyzing you. The fear feels big in your mind, but in reality, it is small. Confidence grows when you stop trying to impress and start trying to improve. Drills you can do at home. Now let's talk about real exercises, not motivation, practice. Drill 1. The mirror speaking practice. Stand in front of a mirror. Look at your eyes. Speak for 2 minutes about anything. Maybe your day, your goals, why you want to improve. At first, you will feel uncomfortable. Good. Confidence grows in discomfort. Do this daily for 7 days. You will notice change. Drill 2. Record and review. Take your phone, record yourself speaking English for 3 minutes. Do not stop, even if you make mistakes. Then listen to it. Not to criticize, but to improve. When you repeat this every week, you will see progress. Progress builds confidence. Drill 3. Small risk rule. Every day, take one small social risk. Examples: start a small conversation, ask a question in class, share your opinion, comment in English online. Not big actions, small actions. Confidence is built through repetition. Drill 4. Body language reset. Confidence is not only mental, it is physical. Try this. Stand straight, shoulders back, slow breathing. Speak slower. Your body sends signals to your brain. When your posture changes, your confidence increases. Act confident first, feel confident later. Confidence and English. If your goal is to speak English confidently, then understand this. You cannot think your way into confidence. You must speak your way into confidence. Speak broken English. Speak simple English, but speak. Silence builds fear. Action builds confidence. Important: stop comparing. Comparison kills confidence. You see someone fluent, you see someone bold, and you think, I am not like them. But you are watching their chapter 10 while you are in chapter 1. Focus on your growth, not their speed. Final message. Confidence is not about being perfect. It is about being willing. Willing to try. Willing to fail. Willing to grow. Every confident person trained themselves. They were not born different. They practiced. Now it is your turn. Today, take one small action, just one, and tomorrow take another. Confidence is built daily, not magically. Closing line for your video. If you want to improve your English and your confidence, stop waiting. Start speaking. Confidence will follow.